children, welcome to political science class. Last day we understood the complete authority of our election, that is about election commission. The structure and function of election commission already we had discussed. Today we are going to discuss mainly about popular participation. People's participation in election is usually measured by voter turnout figures. Turnout indicates the percent of eligible voters who cast their votes. In India, the poor, illiterate, and underprivileged people vote in larger proportion as compared to the rich and privileged sections. This contrasts with Western democracies. Common people in India attach a lot of importance to elections. They feel that through elections they can bring pressure on political parties to adopt policies and programs favorable to them. The interest of voters in election-related activities has been increasing over the years. 1 out of every 7 voters is a member of a political party. Now, children, we shall try to understand what is the acceptance of election outcome. The outcome of India's election speaks for itself. First of all, the ruling parties routinely lose elections in India both at the national and state level. In fact, in every 2 out of the 3 elections held in the last 15 years, the ruling party lost. Second one is, in the US, an incumbent or sitting elected representative rarely loses an election. In India, about half of the sitting MPs or MLAs lose elections. Third one is, candidates who are known to have spent a lot of money on buying votes, and those with non-criminal connections often lose elections. Fifth one is, barring a very few disputed elections, the electoral outcomes are usually accepted as people's verdict by a defeated party. In the conclusion, children, we shall try to understand what are the different challenges to free and fair elections. First challenge is, candidates and parties with a lot of money may not be sure of their victory, but they do enjoy a big and unfair advantage over smaller parties and independents. Second challenge is, in some parts of the country, candidates with criminal connections have been able to push others out of electoral race and to secure a ticket from major parties. Third challenge is, some families tend to dominate political parties. Tickets are distributed to relatives from the families. And next challenge is, very often elections offer little choice to ordinary citizens for like each other in policies and practice. And last challenge is, smaller parties and independent candidates suffer a huge disadvantage as compared to bigger parties. Children, now we had come to the conclusion of this lesson. Next today, we shall start with a new lesson. Thank you.